Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm here with Dash, and today we will be decorating our first Christmas tree. I'm sure he doesn't really care much about it, but I really miss decorating the tree and all of that festive stuff ever since I moved out. And put you down. So ever since I moved out, got my own place, I've never really felt the need to put up a Christmas tree, and I've been out of the house for a while now. So I figured, why not put up a small little tree? I went to Walmart, grabbed a couple things, and yeah, so let's just get right into it. So I, of course, got an artificial tree because, I don't know, like real trees in my actual house, I just feel like I'll be sneezing all day. I didn't grow up with real trees. We had artificial trees that looked like real trees. So I went ahead and grabbed one from Walmart, like I mentioned before. This is a 6.5 foot pre-lit Madison pine tree. Okay, sounds fancy enough. And yeah, the color scheme that I decided to go with is like deep reds, bronze, gold, kind of match the like dining room and living room colors. So here, let me see. Okay, so these ornaments here is pretty much the color scheme. Cool. Dash, are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? No?
Years later.
Okay, so it's definitely not as full as I want it to be, but I'm tired of separating these branches, so I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. finally done. Your girl is about to go to bed. What did you guys think of my Christmas tree decorations? Do you like my color scheme? It's very Christmassy, but it's not too like gimmicky, you know what I mean? It's cute, like, you know, I think I did a good job for my very first Christmas tree. And let me know what you guys used, what colors you used, where you went ornament shopping, all that stuff. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss anything that I post, because it's going to be a great month. See you guys in the next video.